Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be an exciting video and I've been waiting for this video for so long because it's one of my first, and I'm going to do a Nykaa haul. Come get ready with me, come my feedback on all the Nykaa products which I've been purchasing lately. Every time I forget to ask you guys that if you like my content, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family if you like it, and please इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा share करो so that the algorithm goes up. So this is the first product which I'm going to use and show it to you guys. Yeah, it's Nykaa Skin Potion Glow Boosting Facial Oil. This was suggested to me by Monisha. As you know, she assists me in all my YouTube videos and she is a fantabulous makeup artist. I'll link her account in my description box. So she has taught me to use this facial oil before my makeup. So this depends on different skin types. So this product suits my skin type, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to apply a few drops over here, here, and some on my forehead, nose, and now I'm going to slowly apply it and massage my cheeks and dab it. Everyone has their own way of doing it. I like it doing like this. It gives a natural glow to my face and it's very good for your pre-makeup care. And don't forget to apply on your neck as well. So the second product which I'll be using is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. It's a very good face primer and it's a must-have for every makeup beginner. It's a pore filler and it protects your facial skin from the makeup. So I'm going to take a very little quantity of this and apply it on my face. I'm still learning how to do makeup. I hope one day start and learn how to do makeup like her. That's my dream now, to do proper makeup on my own. Again, slowly massaging it and applying it all over my face. Be very gentle on your skin. And applying a little bit on my neck as well. So after applying the primer, I've applied some CC cream on my face, which I'm not going to show it in the video because it's not from Nykaa, it's from Lakme. So yeah, the next Nykaa product is this Intense Twilight eyeshadow palette. It was on my wish list for pretty long and now I've got it. So yeah, it looks something like this. Now I prefer using my fingers for dabbing the makeup and applying the product on my face and eyes because it's not convenient for me to use the brush. So I'm now going to apply this shade on my eyes. Monisha has taught me. Now let me see if I'm able to do it or not properly. But I'm going to give you my genuine and honest review. That is why I'm getting ready in front of you only. Yeah, it's nice. I'm liking the application. It's very smooth. It's just gliding on my eyes. I don't have to rub my hand too much on the product. And it's not even sticking to my fingers. I have this weird habit of making my faces while doing my makeup. I don't know how I've applied. Let me ask Monisha, is it okay? So now I've applied this shade as the base. Now I'm going to apply this one in the center of my eyeballs. I'm going to use another finger. I'm going to dab it like this very softly. Okay guys, so it looks something like this. I've managed did pretty well. I'm really proud of my skills now. I'm growing, I'm learning. So the final Nykaa product, Nykaa lip gloss. It's called Gloss It Up and it's in the shade 03 Riding Solo. Now I'm going to try it and tell you guys. It looks something like this. I have not applied anything on my lips yet. So this was it. Now I'm going to complete this look with a lipstick and a liner from a different brand, but I'm not going to review those products, so I'm not showing it in the video. And hence after completing that, I'm going to show you my final look. This is my complete look after applying the kohl and lipstick. So I hope you guys like my review on this Nykaa haul.